Hello friends, today we see operation on polynomial, class 9th chapter 3rd. In previous lecture we see polynomial, what is polynomial, types of polynomial and index form, standard form. Okay. Now in this lecture we see the operation on polynomial. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Okay friends. Now we start operation on polynomial. What are the operation performed on polynomial? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. What are the operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First we see the addition. Addition on polynomial. First operation is addition. Suppose our polynomial 3x square plus 2 and 3x square plus 6. Okay. These are the two polynomials. Now add these two polynomials. We can add the polynomial vertically or horizontally in both the ways. For horizontal, 3x square plus 2 plus 3x square plus 6. Okay. Now write the like terms near. 3x square plus 3x square, 2 plus 6. 3x square plus 3x square, 3 plus 3, 6. 6x square plus 8. Okay. Simple. This simple addition. Addition of polynomial. Okay. We take second example. Suppose our 3x square minus 2x plus 4 and second polynomial 6x minus 2 plus 5x square. Okay. Now add both these two polynomials. 3x square minus 2x plus 4 plus, write first this polynomial in standard form. We see what is standard form in previous lecture. Okay. 5x square plus 6x minus 2. This is the standard form of this polynomial. Now add both the terms. Okay. 3x square plus 5x square, 8x square minus 2x plus 6x means 6 minus 2 plus 4x and 4 minus 2 plus 2. 8x square plus 4x plus 2. This is the addition of these both the polynomials. For any example, we first write the given polynomial standard form and then add both the polynomials. Okay. This is the vertical method. We can add the polynomial by horizontal method also. There are two methods. For horizontal, we can add 3x square minus 2x plus 4 plus 5x square plus 6x minus 2. Okay. For horizontal addition also, we write this in the standard form. Polynomial write in standard form. Now take the like terms near. 3x square plus 5x square minus 2x plus 6x plus 4 minus 2. Write all the like terms near. Okay. 3x square plus 5x square, 8x square minus 2 plus 6 plus 4x and 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. This is the horizontal method of addition of polynomial. Okay. Now we see second operation on polynomial is subtraction. Subtraction. How to do subtraction? First example, 5a square minus 2a. This is polynomial. Subtract this polynomial from polynomial 7a square plus 5a plus 6. Okay, subtract this polynomial from 7a square plus 5a plus 6. This polynomial is given in standard form, hence we can write directly. Okay, 5a square minus 2a. This is a horizontal method. Now take the like terms. 7a square minus 5a square plus 5a minus 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 plus 5a plus 2a plus 6. These are the like terms. Okay. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. 2a square plus 5a plus 2a 7a plus 6. This is a subtraction of polynomial. Very simple. Okay. We subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. Okay. First write both the polynomial standard form, then subtract, take the like terms and then we subtract. Okay. Next we see multiplication. Next operation is multiplication. Multiplication. 2a into 5a square. In multiplication, we see in laws of indices. In my previous video, laws of indices, we see laws of indices. In laws of indices, when we take multiplication of the variables, we can add the degree of this variable. Okay. Here a having degree 1 and here a having degree 2. We can add the powers, power of both the variable. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10 and a raised to 3. Power, add the power of both the variable, both the terms. Answer is minus 10a cube. Okay. Suppose minus 2x multiply by 4x minus 3. Okay. Now multiply this minus 2x by 4x. Minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Here x having power 1. Here x having power 1. X into x square, and 1 plus 1 2. Hence minus 8x square. Minus multiplication with minus. This is also we see in our previous video, multiplication of negative numbers. Minus 2 minus 3 plus. Minus minus multiplication plus. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. And this is x plus 6x. Okay. This is the multiplication. When 3 term, m square minus 5 and m cube plus 2m minus 2. These are the two terms to multiply. First, we multiply the second term by m square. Multiply second term by m square. Then multiply minus 5 to this term. M cube plus 2m minus 2. Okay. Now multiply by m square. M square into m cube. Multiply. When we multiply, we can add the powers. M 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 2m cube minus 2m square minus 5m cube minus 10m plus 10. Minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10. Minus minus multiplication plus. Now write the like terms. Okay, group the like terms. M raised to 5 plus 2m cube minus 5m cube minus 2m square minus 10m plus 10. Okay. M raised to 5 plus 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 minus 3. Minus 3m cube minus minus 2m square minus 10m plus 10. Okay. This is our answer. Multiplication of these both terms. Okay. Now next we see division. How to do the division of polynomials. Okay. First example, divide the polynomial 2 plus 2x square divided by x plus 2. Divide thus this term by x plus 2. we can divide x plus 2 and our 2x square plus 0x plus 2. First write the polynomial in standard form, then we divide the polynomial. X plus 2 and here 2x square. 2x square divided by x, this x. What is the answer? 1x cancel, 2x. Here we take the 2x. Now multiply 2x plus a, 2x into x, 2x square, and 2x into 2, 4x. Okay. Then 2x square minus 2x square 0, and 0 minus 4x means minus 4x, and this 2 as it is. Okay. Now here x and here minus 4x. Hence we multiply this by minus 4. 2x minus 4. Minus 4 into x minus 4x. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8. And here minus. Minus means minus plus. Minus plus 0. And here plus minus 8. Okay. Plus 2 minus 8 means minus plus 2 plus 8, 10. Here plus 10. Remainder is 10. Okay. Our answer, our division is answer is 2x minus 4 and remainder is 10. Write this in the formula. What is the formula for division? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula for division. Okay. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here our dividend is 2 plus 2x square. Okay. Our divisor is x plus 2. Multiply by our quotient is 2x minus 4 and our remainder is plus 10. We can prove this by solving this expression. This is the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. This is called standard form of the division. This we can also write px is equal to qx into sx plus rx. Here px is the dividend, qx is the divisor, sx is a quotient and rx is a remainder. Okay. This is a division. Now we see practice set 3.2. Practice set 3.2. First question, addition. Addition of the given polynomial. First, x cube minus 2x square minus 9. And second polynomial, 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Okay. We add this polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus 9 and 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. X cube minus 2x square minus 9 plus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Add both the polynomial. Take the like terms x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 9 plus 9. Okay. 1 plus 5, 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x and minus 9 plus 9, 0. Okay. This is the answer of our addition. Addition of polynomial 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x. Okay. Now we see example for subtraction. Subtract the second polynomial from first polynomial. This is our question. First example, 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab and 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. Okay. Subtract the second polynomial from first. Subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. First we write first polynomial and subtract the second polynomial from first polynomial. 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab minus 3ab minus 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. 2a square b. Subtract. Take the like terms. 2ab square minus minus plus 8ab square plus 3a square b minus plus minus minus 2a square b minus 4ab minus 3ab minus 4ab minus 3ab. Now add 2 plus 8 10ab square plus 3a square b minus 2a square b 1 means only a square b and minus 4ab minus 3ab minus 7ab. Okay, this is our answer. 10ab square plus a square b minus 7ab. This is the subtraction of polynomial. Now we see the multiplication of polynomial. 2x multiplied by x square minus 2x minus 1. This 2x multiply this 2x by each term. 2x into x square 2x cube. 2 into 2 4 minus 4x square minus 2. 2x cube minus 4x minus 2. Okay, this is the multiplication. Now we see division. Divide x cube minus 64. Divide this term by x minus 4. Divide x cube minus 64 by x minus 4. Okay. Write first this x cube minus 64 in standard form. X cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. Okay, and here x minus 4. Here first term is x cube and here first term is x. X cube divided by x, our answer is x square. Hence we take here x square. Multiply this x square by x square into x, x cube, and x square into minus 4, minus 4x square. And this is minus sign. Here 0 plus minus minus 4 minus minus plus plus 4x square plus 0x. Now here 4x square and here x. Divide 4x square by x. Our answer is 4x plus 4x. Plus 4x square. 4x into 4 minus 16x. Here minus 4x square minus 4x square 0 and 0 minus minus 16. 0 minus minus 16 means plus 16x minus 64. Now here x and here 16x. Divide 16x by 6. Our answer is 16. Means here plus 16. Okay. 16x. Then 16x. And 16 into 4 minus 64. Okay. Minus 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 plus minus minus plus. Minus 64 plus 64 0. Our remainder is 0. Okay. When we divide x cube minus 64 by x minus 4, our answer is, our quotient is x square plus 4x plus 16. X square plus 4x plus 16. We can write this in the formula. Our formula dividend x cube minus 64 is equal to, what is our divisor? X minus 4 into what is our quotient? X square plus 4x plus 16 plus remainder, our remainder plus 0. This is a formula for division. Okay. Here we see the examples of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on polynomials, operation and polynomial. Okay. In next lecture we see practice set 3.3 and its details. Okay. Understand? Okay friends.